Hello everyone, welcome to A Trader's Journey. This is going to be a quick trade recap on Pound Aussie. So without further ado, let's just go through the analysis and why I decided to take this trade. So yeah, so we're going to jump on the 4-hour chart. So looking at this chart, right, if I just zoom out a bit and just show you my thinking, you can see we are technically bearish, right? Price has been pushing down, had a bit of a pullback, pushed down, broke structure here, and now we are trading inside the high and low of the structure, right? The high and low of the structure, right? This is our break of structure. So now we've established that we are bearish, so we're just looking to sell. So coming to my trade, right, if I look at my entry here, so this is our internal structure, external structure. So obviously you saw this push and this was our pullback into this value area. So I saw price hitting this value area over here, right? And then we saw a reaction. We saw the first run, consolidation, push, consolidation. So I was waiting for the third push, right, of this run. So my thinking in this trade, if you see these classic V shapes in the markets, right? When you see a market trade away from the value area and then create a classic V shape to come back to the value area. So a value area is a place where most trades take place. A lot of traders took entries there. So it's quite an important place, and you can see where the big banks took their entries. So this is a value area. So you see this classic V shape forming back into the value area. So what do you think now? So there's a reason I have this line here. Not this one. What did I do? Go back there. So the reason why I have this line here, right, just delete this. The reason why I have this line here, this is my inflection point. So anyone that went short in this at this high was technically liquidity. So I waited for a 4-hour candle to close below this area to show that the intention is there to go short, right? So the big banks came into the market at this area. So my initial was to enter at the first correction. So if I go down to the 1 hour and just show you this correction. So we took this on the 15 minutes, but I'll show you just now. So we had this consolidation area. We had a run, consolidation, and I was waiting for the second run to break this consolidation area. So if I go into the 15 minutes, you can clearly see my thinking. Even on the 15 minutes, you can see the clear V shape, right? Value area breaks a little bit of the structure, trades our way, and then we have this V shape pull back into this value area, and then we have our run. So I put my trade here after we broke through this area. I put a limit order at this area at the break of this low, because I was convinced the big banks are in the market, and then it triggered me, and I was just targeting this structure low. This is the 15-minute structure. So I was just trading the channel, the structure. Right, we've got a high, we've got a low, so I was just trading the structure. So my target was here at a 3% rate. At the time of recording, actually the FOMC meeting is happening, so that's why you see these big candles forming. So that's what's happening now, but I was just playing the structure and took my take profit here. So that's my analysis and how I managed to take the trade, and yeah, stay tuned for more.